Hi everyone, I'm Steven from Longshore Boats. Today we're going to talk about trim tabs. We're going to talk about the benefit and the purpose of having these on your next boat. So the purpose of the trim tab is to level the boat out. If say you got too many people on one side of the boat, the wind's moving, you can actually adjust the trim tabs and level the boat out. If the seas start to get rough and you need to bring the bow down to cut through the wave instead of bouncing off it, those trim tabs will help out also. So let's zoom in here and kind of look at the transom on this Edgewater. These are Lenco electric trim tabs, and I'm going to show you what they do. Basically when you hit the switch, they're going to move up and down. So basically what that's going to do is put more force to adjust the boat to go from port to starboard, or to bring the bow, directly into the waves. This is a typical Lenco trim tab switch panel. It basically has two indicator lights for port and starboard. So let's say you want to bring the port side down. You're going to hit the down button and you're going to get a couple indicator lights. I like to do one or two at a time. That kind of lets the boat adjust itself. And you may need to bring the starboard side down, one or two, just depending on the wind, how many people you have on each side of the boat, etc. Now, if the seas are really rough, you can bring them both down at the same time and really push that bow into the wave to keep you from bouncing around. So I do believe this is a great feature to have on your next boat. It will help out. You will enjoy it. If you have further questions on those Lenco trim tabs, feel free to give us a call at 843-216-4700. I'm Steven from Longshore Boats. Thanks for watching.